Your Peugeot's 508 voice commands can be used on any screen page, as long as there are no other priority sources in action, such as reverse gear, an emergency or assistance call, or a phone call. To ensure that voice commands are always recognized by the system, we advise you to use natural language, to speak in a normal tone of voice, without cutting your words or raising your voice. For best results, it is recommended to close the windows and sunroof, to avoid any outside disturbance. To open voice recognition, say OK Peugeot. Then, to command the air conditioning, you can say, increase fan speed. OK Peugeot, turn on the air conditioning. OK Peugeot, I'm too hot. To command radio and media, you can say, OK Peugeot, switch to radio mode. OK Peugeot, tune the radio to 105.9. To command navigation, you can say, OK Peugeot, take me home. OK Peugeot, take me to Francois. OK Peugeot, look for a service station nearby.
I found 4 gas stations within 15 kilometers.
To check on the weather, you can say, OK Peugeot, do I need a raincoat?
It doesn't appear to be raining at the moment.
OK Peugeot, what's the weather forecast for this evening?
There will be intermittent clouds with a temperature of 22 degrees in Les Rechuinties for this evening.
OK Peugeot, what's today's humidity ratio?
The humidity is 93% near ratio.